Yes, may I please your lordship, I'm paying for listing a matter for admission lordship. On 28 lordship, that Supreme Court matter has remanded back the matter. To
That which matter?
So that, huh? That lordship had dismissed the petitioners.
Huh? Intervenor matter. Okay. That blacklisting matter.
Yes.
It had to come. It had to be decided by
Lordship.
when 28. Is that
28.
okay? 28th of May. But what date is that? That's so far away. Okay, I think we fixed some matter. No, that day. 28th we fixed one matter yesterday. 30th 30. 30.
Let read the last. My lord, in connection with item number 17,
7
17, 17.
17. Yes.
I have filed an affidavit regarding justice service, my lord, and also an affidavit, additional affidavit yesterday, my lord. So I may call it for record, my lord.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 1, lordship. Lordship, kindly grant me 2 weeks time, lordship, as we have received the instruction yesterday, lordship.
And what is the instruction?
Uh,
Give me item 1. Who is for the petitioner?
Yes,
They want time to file. Yeah.
yes, madam. Last time, wasn't it?
Okay, right. Right. Mr.
N. Kalita, on behalf
Kalita appearing for
Industries and Commerce. Department.
Industries and Commerce Department submits that he has received Tarawa's comment.
Yes.
And will be filing affidavit in the position in terms of the order dated 1/4/2024 within 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, madam. But notice should have been issued.
Okay,
From
okay,
staff.
okay. Before that, you write. Heard Miss N. Sakia, learned copy for the petitioner. Let them file the affidavit, then we see. Okay, this is after 2 weeks.
Even some extra copy you have not given, since notice is not issued.
No, let him file.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the respondent, I beg to mention item number 4, lordship.
4. Yes.
Lordship, my senior is indisposed since yesterday evening, lordship.
Oh.
He has been suffering from upset stomach.
No, that more than your senior is not the issue out there. Who is for the other side? Item 4. Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
Yes, sir, Lordship.
Have you taken a decision?
Lordship, first and foremost, the petitioner's father applied for the license.
No, agreed. But then there is a judgment order of this court
Yes, sir, Lordship.
saying that his application should be treated as a fresh application.
But they have to apply for that. They have to apply.
That's what no, the court said that. You just see the give me item 4. See item 4.
In fact, there's judgment from the Supreme, this Honorable High Court, your Lordship. Whereby,
Correct. No. You see, the petitioners may apply for issuance of a fresh license under. Have you applied?
Lordship, I have to take instruction,
What
lordship.
to take instruction? This is a small matter, huh?
I am not having the brief with me.
Okay, we'll list it on Wednesday. Right. Heard, Mr.
S. Pal on behalf of A. Bhattacharya.
What, Pal?
S. Pal.
S. Pal appearing on behalf of Mr.
A. Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for adjournment. Full stop. Mr. R. Gogoi appears for the Excise Department. Full stop. This court, by order dated 2/5/2013, passed in WPC 2503 of 2009. Had held that the petitioner may apply for issuance of a fresh IMFL retail off license. And in the event of filing such an application, the same was to be considered by the authorities. Full stop. Next para. Mr. R. Gogoi submits that the petitioners have not filed any application. Next para. His representations are here, 23, 11, 20, and 7, certain.
His representations are there, but since at earlier point of time, the license was 3 years, that period expired. Now I have to go and apply fresh license.
Okay, subsequent to this order.
Yes, Your
correct?
Lordship.
But this order was of 2013.
13. Her father applied, but she's asking for the license which her father applied, Your Lordship.
No.
She has to apply for a fresh one.
Correct. No, this 2020 and 1220 is what? For father? Father's license or? Let us see this.
Father applied earlier, Lordship.
Correct.
Now
712
daughter
is
has-
applied for. 712 is by Saheli Day. You are the Saheli Day.
Yes.
Saheli
Lordship.
Day.
We have filed one fresh
I being the
application.
daughter, Ah. You file a fresh representation. That's the end of the matter. Okay,
Lordship, some time may be granted because.
And now the
scenario
licenses
was
are
not
being
yet.
issued on tender basis, Your Lordship.
okay,
nowadays.
list the matter again on Wednesday.
Much obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Next.
May it please the court, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 7 on the daily list.
Yes.
Your lordship, we have filed a supplementary affidavit, which was filed yesterday. We request that the same may be called for before the item matter is taken up for hearing today.
If I do not know if there's time. What is this for? What is this matter about?
Your lordship, we're challenging the tender conditions in a tender issued by the Assam Skill Development Mission, because they had
Wait, see. Yes, if we call for the affidavit. Next, yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I wish to mention for listing of a writ petition for admission. Any date, Your Lordship.
Give a date.
Obliged.
Next. Mr.
Speech already.
P. Chowdhury.
Malad,
Yes, tell me, what's the case?
yes, Malad. Malad, the APDCL, Malad, which is the petition.
So the appellate authority
Yes, Malad.
restricted the final assessment bill
For a
to
period
3
of
months.
3
3 months.
Yes.
On what ground?
On the ground that prior to the inspection, a third party engaged contractor had visited the consumer's premises, the respondent number one's premises for installation of a modem. Now the appellate authority has taken a view that that model installation team should have noticed if there was any tampering with the meter.
When did the third party go? To the
20th of February 2019.
20th of February was by your representatives.
These are third parties engaged by us, contractors.
Okay, but they are representative of the petition.
Representatives, but they are like any other, if that,
And then the tampering and the breakage
yes,
had been done on that day or subsequent to that day.
so the
That is appellate authority fine.
appellate authority has taken a view that if tampering has taken place, it must have happened after the modem installation. Now, that cannot be the issue, Malad, because finding respectfully because of the fact that these people who had visited the consumer's premises for installation of that modem, they do not have the technical know-how to ascertain whether
Okay,
or not
anyway, right. Okay, we'll give a stay for the next date.
Malad.
Notice. 4 weeks. We will give the order.
I'm deeply obliged.
Yes,
My lord, here, my lord.
yes, what is the distance?
Lordship, that rule has been omitted, Your Lordship. There is no
No, my lord,
specified distance.
apart from that, my lord, the NIT was, my lord, issued in December 2023. I participated. My lord, lordship is dealing with similar cases, my lord, where, my lord,
No,
this
no,
year-
but your issue out here is only with
No,
regard to
no,
the
no,
distance.
with that, my lord. I participated in a NIT.
Ah.
I, my lord, verified the particular area where I was supposed to give my bid. There was no wine shop at all. 31 lakhs with 31 lakhs, it has been settled to me.
Uh-huh.
I paid the amount on
Correct.
15 to. On 16 to this, my lord, the private respondent, he applied that it should be shifted near the present location of mine. They allowed it. That's my grievance. In the representation that I have submitted, there is nothing.
But then you have mentioned all that 1 kilometer, everything to it.
Going by the, my lord, exercise rules, my lord, whatever was available to me. It is a 2018 edition. They say in 17 it has been amended. I was not aware of.
So that was allowed.
Only on that point, my lord, 31 lakhs I have paid, my lord. He is only paying 1 lakh, my lord, he has been seated. And same authorities, my lord, they verified my part too.
Okay, just write one paragraph. Mr. B. Gogoi submits that
If that is, my
the
lord,
petitioner
considered,
had applied for the IMFL offshore
lordship,
through a pursuant to a tender process. And the same was
on 12th of February.
allotted to him on 12/2/2024.
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. However, full stop. However,
On 15 to I
On
paid the entire amount. of
however, the state respondents have allowed the respondent number 5
Well,
to transfer his wine shop
yes,
next to the petitioner
well,
on
on my lord, 7th of May 2024.
7/5/24, comma. Thereby. No, 7/5/2024.
7th, my lord, March.
March.
7/3/22. He submits that. The same would affect the business of the petitioner. So what we do, so
Well, the representation before the deputy commissioner, let him consider, madam. Consider hearing both the parties. That will do.
what representation?
Well,
They submit representation.
yes, on
Okay.
18th of March.
Okay, then you write the petitioner submits,
Page
the
28.
petitioner's counsel submits that the Mr. B. Gogoi submits that the petitioner submitted a representation dated
18/3/2024. Page 28.
18/3/2024.
Page 28.
20
Page 28 of the petition annexes there.
to the Deputy Commissioner Dubri. To relocate the shop of the respondent number 5. So he submits that the writ petition can be disposed of. If the respondent number,
Yes, final respondent.
respondent number 3.
3.
Disposal of the petitioner's representation dated 18/3/2024. After giving an opportunity of hearing to both the petitioner and the respondent number 5. To submit para, Mr. Mr. R.R. Gogoi, learned counsel for the
Responding, 1, 2, 4,
1, 2, 4, and Mr. G. Bokail appearing for the respondent number
3.
3. Submit that they've got no objection with the prayer made by the petitioner's counsel. Anybody else?
No.
Who's that? Next para. In view of the consent of the parties, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondent number 3 to take a decision on the petitioner's representation dated 18/3/2024.
In accordance with the rules.
After giving, an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and the respondent number 5.
Right.
Within a period of,
I'll leave it to you. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
a period of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the file. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of. Then you say, instead of deputy commissioner, you say district commissioner.
District.
Then from here you just add, I just cut off the question.
I don't like it.
Next. Yes,
Lordship is that, this matter may kindly be taken after some time, my lord.
after some time, no time,
Then, my lord, another day,
some other day.
other day, my lord, on 9th or 10th, my lord.
9th till the 10th.
Except 15th, 8th or 15th, except.
After a week after that. This is the matter on 15th. Pleadings are,
16th,
this is the matter on 16 as paid for by the petitioner's counsel. Next.
obliged.
Item 6 is the education matter.
Not exactly an education matter.
What is the prayer here?
A dispute with regard.
Huh? What is the prayer?
Yes, please. Direct respondent Seva to consider the representation dated 23/24.
Original documents had passed necessary other clarifying, past the class 10 matriculation. Whether she has passed last time, I don't think this is
Should it matter related to retail outlet lordship?
huh?
Retail outlet.
Actually, my lord, it originates from a PIL, my lord. What had happened, a PIL was filed wherein the allotment to my petitioner, a retail outlet, was challenged in the PIL, my lord.
What retail outlet?
A fuel station, my lord, a fuel station, a petrol pump.
Okay.
A petrol pump. The petitioner was allotted a petrol pump, my lord.
Okay.
Now, there was a PIL file before the Honorable Division Bench alleging that the Class 10 certificate of the petitioner is forged or false, and that is why she is not entitled to the petrol pump. That was the PIL, the subject matter of the PIL. Now, when the PIL was filed, my lord, the petitioner in the PIL, they had annexed certain documents which included a RTI reply from the respondent SEBA. The RTI reply said that in this year, this person, the petitioner, has not passed Class 10. Now, since that RTI was there in the PIL, my lord, the BPCL was a party to that PIL, my lord. They took cognizance of that fact, and I was show cause. You show cause why did you place wrong documents to get the allotment? That was the case, my lord.
So you were allotted the petrol pump.
Yes, yes. While I was allotted the petrol pump. So, my lord, when I came to know that the SEBA had filed the RTI reply, I was
You were not there in the PIL.
I'm also there in the PIL. I also came to know I preferred an application before the SEBA.
Oh.
That see, I have the original documents, Class 10, the original mark sheet. Thereafter, I pursued +1 also, my lord. First year higher secondary also in Kihu College. So this is my mark sheet. You give me a personal hearing so that this thing can be clarified. There must have been some mistake because I applied for.
Why didn't you take up this issue in the PIL when both of you are the parties there? SEBA was not a party there.
SEBA was not a party. SEBA was not a party. So I preferred a representation, praying that you give us a personal hearing, will come with the original documents, and the SEBA would decide with regard to the authenticity of the documents. But on the last occasion, my lord, the SEBA had produced the logbook, the record, my lord.
Register book, my lord.
The register, as per the register, I have failed, my lord, admittedly, because my lord, the
My lord,
Honorable Justice
kindly
Surana had produced the
Kindly
records, my lord. We will produce the records and seeing that as per their record, I have failed. But my contention is that it was a revaluation. Nonetheless, I was directed that I would submit my original mark sheet to the Secretary SEBA, and he would have a look and he would verify with regard to the authenticity. That was done on the
Yes,
same day, my lord. I handed over my original mark sheet, my lord. So that is why it has been listed.
Correct.
So what is it now? Is it
My lord, we have verified this mark sheet submitted by the petitioner, my lord, and it is not issued by the SEBA, my lord. And my lord, kindly peruse the earlier order dated 10/4/2024, my lord. Original record was produced before this honorable court, my lord, and on the basis of
I
the
have submitted that, my lord. The originals were produced, the register was produced.
so? What remains?
Well, at least I should be given an opportunity to reply, my lord. I have
What
not-
reply? What reply? What did you go? I don't know what say. They are the authority. They are the authority. When they say that you have this is the mark sheet provided for verification is verified with the office because I found that it was not issued from this office. What more do you want? Who are we to say that you are wrong?
May I just have a
Can-
glance, my lord?
Huh?
May I just have a
It
glance?
is inviting a reference to the subject cited above. I would like to inform you that the mark sheet provided for verification is verified with this office records and found that it was not issued from this office. So this is made somewhere. We do not know where, according to them.
But that is their contention, at least my right.
Then but what remains? Tell me for whether a school document, mark sheet issued by the Board of Secondary Education, who is the ultimate authority who can decide which is right or wrong? Unless you can show something else.
In that case, my lord, this is they may put it on affidavit so that I get a chance to challenge that.
No.
If I have to challenge it, I have to challenge it.
You challenge this document wherever you want to challenge.
I have found
You
in
have
such
to
type
hand over
of cases, my
document.
lord, I have found in so many cases in such where all are laminated. All facts certificate are laminated. I have found so many cases. This is also laminated.
No, it happens. Even for in Mizoram, for acquisition of land in 1970, they had asked for compensation said that the land was allotted in 71, 72. All computer printed. 1971, 72, all typewriters were used, there was no computer. Maybe in America and all, but not here.
It
So it happens sometimes.
totally fake, Malad.
So either you
I took
withdraw or
instruction from my client.
you withdraw or
I'll
dismiss
withdraw
it.
I'll withdraw in that case.
Okay, right, Mr. P. Mahanta, land counsel for the petitioner, says that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition. Press allowed, writ petition dismissed as withdrawn. Acha, before that, Mr. P.C. Chute appears for
SEPA.
Seba and Mr.
And for 5 and 6.
5 and 6. Mr. P.C. Chute has produced the letter number Seba dated 2/5/2024, which is made a part of the record and marked as an exchange.
Well, original, we have returned it, Malad, maybe do it. No, fake
That's
original.
all. Anyway, I have not said anything. I have just withdrawn.
I'll take back the original Malad, whatever
You can-
purported original Malad.
There is some factory, Malad. Most only recording.
This was issued in the year 93. She was a minor back then, Malad. Someone is responsible, the parents, not her. Malad.
Which states has followed? Let's just take that up.
I'm deeply obliged. Malad.
Please, Malad.
Yes.
Malos, may I have the last orders of this honorable court, Malos, para number 5. And I filed a supplementary affidavit, Malos, which is on record. It summarizes what has happened so far, Malos.
No, did you submit your physical bid?
Yes, my lords. It is on record. I have filed an affidavit also bringing that fact on records, my lords, and then therefore my submission. What has happened is, my lords, thereafter, they accepted my bid. So the statement which basically I had made before this honorable court was conditionally found to be right. They accepted my physical bid, my lords. Then they proceeded to issue a second corrigendum, extending the bid till the 26th of April. 26th of April, they have opened the bid thereafter, my lords, and proceeded to technically do the technical evaluation of the other bidders, but not mine. That statement is on record, my lords, now, by way of an email which they have issued to me, my lords. Now, what they say is, interestingly, my lords, is where does the orders of this honorable court says that I have to technically evaluate you? It only says accept.
So, anyway, what is the stage of the bid?
Lordship may allow them to open the bid.
Technical bid.
No problem, subject to
My
outcome
lords,
of the case.
my lords, there is a further, my further submission is before your, before my lordship says basically that the prayer, my final prayer stands accepted, my lords. My basic contention is that the entire tender was prepared.
No,
My-
that
my-
cannot be decided today, man.
No, it may not be decided, but I'm bringing this fact before your lordship.
That will be subject to outcome of the case.
My lords, my main prayer,
So anyway, there's no stay. There's no stay.
my lords, today is listed for stay, my lords.
No, so we are instead of stay, we are allowing your bid to be open.
Yes, my lords.
We are allowing your bid to be open.
Great.
Technical bid, and if you qualify technical bid, your
Yes,
financial
great.
bid also.
Grateful, my lords.
All right. Heard, Mr.
K. Khanna, my lords.
K. Khanna, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Goswami, learned additional AG, assisted by Mr. M. Chetia, appearing for all the respondents. Mr. B. Goswami submits that the petitioner's bid, the technical bid shall be open. As his is the only bid that has not been opened till date. In view of the,
Offline.
huh?
It was submitted offline. It was
No, it
offline.
doesn't matter.
Yes.
Next para. In view of the undertaking given by Mr. B. Goswami, learned additional AG, the respondents are directed to open the technical bid of the petitioner and consider his financial bid if he crosses the technical bid evaluation stage.
My lords, just one little addition, my lords. What happens is if they permitted me to submit my bid online and the conditions were met, my lords, I would have actually had access to the other bidders and the documents which subsequently
So
opened.
they're going to do it.
My lords, since they've created so much of a confusion, My lords may say
okay,
so in
there
the
is no
orders.
Confusion as such,
Anyway,
my lord.
so,
Lordship
so,
will
so,
consider all-
so only thing is that the final work order should not be given.
Yes.
Okay,
That will be, sir. My lord. Yes.
how about the, yes, full stop. How about the final, selection of the successful bidder shall not be made without the leave of the court.
My lord.
Uh,
Authority
stop.
may finalize, but shall not be governed.
okay, what have I said? Sure, it's how about how about the respondent authority shall not declare the successful bidder,
Yes.
tenderer, till, final disposal of the case.
And we pray for, without leave of the court. All right. My lord,
Don't say till final disposal without taking the prior permission of this court. Huh?
yes.
Then you also say that if the petitioner should also be on opening the petitioner's technical bid, the petitioner should also be given access to all the information regarding the other tenderers, as has been given to all the other tenderers. The writ petitions accordingly.
We may be allowed 3 weeks time to file it. Repeat in the report.
Mr. B. Goswami is allowed to file 3
3 weeks time.
he is given 3 weeks time to file affidavit in the position.
Obliged.
List the matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
My lord, yes, lordship, so far as the first case is concerned,
Ah,
there, my lord, the issue was, my lord, they could not submit it in time, so it is honorable.
first case is instructors.
I leave it to lordship on that.
Which instructors? What remains? Second
Second
case is
case-
with regard to your representation.
That we have made some serious allegations, they are party, my lord, they will have to file on it. And as on date, my lord, we are in the old market, my lord.
Old
The old
market
market
is going on.
is, so
No,
is
in the new market, my lord.
old market being demolished or not?
No, no, no. That is going on.
That is going on, no, that's a different thing. Can you give a small affidavit saying that the old market will not be demolished?
Okay, Lordship.
Once you do that, their case,
Exactly, Lordship.
there's nothing else.
If we
Yes,
are
I will
protecting
fight,
you-
definitely.
But
Huh?
even then, my lord, we have participated in the selection. If my lord, a minor gets a my lord, allotment of a particular scope, these are serious allegations we have point out in the my lord, writ petition. They have to respond. And my lord, from the same family, father, both two, 3 sons, including their my lord.
That is there also. Okay, right, anyway. Heard Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Ms. P. Bhattacharjee, learned counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3, who submit that the writ petition has been become infructuous. This 3233, 2016, huh? 3233. In view of the in view of the submissions made by the counsel for the parties, the writ petition is dismissed.
Instead of my
Close the
submission,
writ
because I have got no instructions from them. Lordship will say that, my lord, since they have already pursuant to the interim order, they have participated, nothing survived. There will be more.
Okay, full stop. Okay, I will not say you. Okay.
Because I have
Just
one-
I heard Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Ms.
Okay,
P.
in case-
Bhattacharjee,
In
learned
this
counsel.
case, I am not appearing because I am engaged in second case only.
Okay.
First case, I am not.
Okay,
Comment can
Mr. B. Gogoi appears for the petitioner. Full stop. On perusing the
My lord, the
pleadings
order dated
and
27/5/2016 of this one, report in this particular history.
on perusing the order dated 27/5/2016 passed by this court,
Last year.
and the fact that the petitioners have participated in the bidding process
My lord.
for allotment of shops in the new building
Right.
constructed by the authorities, the present writ petition has become infructuous.
Yes.
The writ petition accordingly closes infructuous. And in the next case, yes, how much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks time, Lordship.
Ms. P. Bhattacharjee, learned counsel for the respondents number
2 and 3, Lordship.
12, she is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in the police. This is the matter of the three.
Obliged.
Yes, where is Mr. Gogoi?
He's there. Madam, the work order has been allotted, 85% work has been already executed. That's what the status report.
Allotted to him. Sir.
Allotted to Assam.
Just show it to him.
Man.
Just show it.
My lord, the first page is the, my lord, percentage of work that has been executed. Second is the allotment work.
Can I be provided a copy of this?
Yes, yes, you take that, you take that.
Lordship may give me just 1 day time left to have instructions on this.
But he's Assam Electrical.
No,
I'm Assam Electric.
store.
Okay.
My lord.
But this is different.
Yes,
Different.
well, this is a party address is Kailipara, Guwahati 5, my lord.
Yes. Okay, right. Heard Mr. R. Dubey, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the PW. Mr. B. Gogoi submits that pursuant to the NIT dated 2/12/2020, MS Assam Electrical has been awarded the contract work for inverted commas construction of Mukti Yodha Bhumidar so and so, it's here, huh? It's there. Okay. At the bid price of rupees 1,77,57,517. It is all there. Huh? Okay. He submits that MS Assam Electricals has completed 85% of the contract work. And full stop. He further submits that due to enhancement of the contract work, the estimated amount has been enhanced to rupees 2,30,84,634. Where's the scope now?
My lord will see page 123, my lord, of the report.
123. Yes. Yes.
My lord, the awardee here is, my lord, L5.
Anyway, you have to challenge now. You have to challenge that they are not a party here. In this petition, they are not a
But that
party.
is a consequential action, my lord. If I
So
succeed on
now,
the first
you
part,
see, the only thing is that your tender has been rejected on 5 counts.
Yes.
If it's right or wrong or whatever, now the only thing for you is to claim damages.
my lord.
And now to claim damages, you have got to go to civil court.
Then the lordship may give me that liberty, my lord, because the work is over, my lord. I can then lord, I'll lead evidence to that effect, my lord. If that be so, yeah.
If you find, if there is any case, okay, right? Then you write, third, Mr. R. Dubey, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the PWD. Then you take this last order, huh? The first paragraph. Huh? So stop. Next paragraph. Then you write, Mr. B. Gogoi, whatever I have dictated this time.
Small correction, my lord. The work is only, my lord, external electrification work of the stadium, not construction of the stadium. Construction of the stadium is.
Okay.
In bracket, it
Then
is-
instead of construction, you write external electrification
Work.
work.
Of the Mukti or the.
No, it's okay.
In
It's
bracket.
in bracket, it's already there. No need. In bracket, it's already there. Same thing, huh?
Well,
Good stuff.
Come to L.
Then after Mr. B. Gogoi's submission, right? In this regard, he has submitted. I think 89%, no?
Oh, 18.
Physical
85.
progress 85%.
85. Yeah. In this regard, he has submitted letters dated 23/12/22. Wait, wait. He has submitted letters dated 22/12/22. Come on. And 23/12/22. issued by the additional chief engineer, comma, PWD, bracket, electric, right close, Assam. Full stop. And other documents, and a status report. Full stop. On perusing the said documents, this court finds that Assam Electricals has, MS Assam Electricals has completed 85% of the contract work. And as such. And, full stop. Further, the MS Assam Electricals is not a party in this petition. Be that as it may, the facts show that the contract work has nearly been completed. And as such, the prayer of the writ petitioner to be awarded the contract work and for washing the tender, the NIT dated 2/12/2022 cannot be granted at this stage. However, and first up, in view of the above facts, the writ petition stands dismissed. First up, however, if the petitioner is still aggrieved with the action of the respondent and is of the view that he is entitled to be paid compensation, he may approach the civil court, which is given.
Instead of civil court or civil civil under.
May approach
remedy under the law,
may approach the appropriate forum, which is given.
Because since no contact, there can't be arbitration also. Only civil court
Because
is the
civil court is
appropriate.
there, Supreme Court
Yes, yes.
judgments are there and galore. So anyway, that's the only thing. There is only one name.
Court will have to establish
Nothing.
that my lord, our decision was wrong.
Huh?
Only then the damage will.
Correct. That issue will again be decided by the.
They will also get opportunity if and when
Yes.
we file, my lord.
Okay, one thing, that order, that first paragraph, I said now, the last order, before that you take the first paragraph of 13/12/22. And then you take the first paragraph of 1/5/24, okay? Then, after that 1/5/24 first paragraph, you just take this, The rejection of the petitioner's justification for the low bid amount submitted by him. In terms of the tender committee minutes dated, meeting minutes dated 18/11/22. Is as follows. This is 1 to 5, yeah, okay, 1 to 5. That's good. Then Mr. B will be, okay?
But one observation. Your lordship may indicate that since your lordship is not deciding on merit, any
Okay,
observation.
just right, before this second last paragraph, you just say. This writ petition is not being decided on merit, on the merits of the contention raised by the parties. And has only been dismissed due to the fact that the contract work in question is being carried out by MS Assam Electricals and who has completed 85% of the work. Due to, full stop. Further, further, there was no stay order, no stay/interim order passed in this case.
I'm deeply.
Lordship, we have already filed an affidavit in reply in content petition. But in the main petition, there is status report. We are supposed to file the affidavit. Petitioner, father is seriously, he is a cultural patient of it. So we, affidavit is ready, but we could not file because he is visiting other treatment.
Reply affidavit.
Okay. Regarding status report.
Okay, Mr. S.K. Goswami submits that he will be filing the status report,
No, no, he replied to the status report.
reply to the status report. Within
2 weeks.
within 2 weeks, list the matter for 2 weeks.
Lordship, regarding the payments.
Yes, madam.
My lordship, 2 weeks time may be granted to get
Huh?
the, 2 weeks time may be granted, my lordship, to get the instruction about unpaid bills.
Many gets inspection time allowed,
Last
many.
week maybe,
Madam,
yes, my lordship.
order passed by this court was in January 2022.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many 2 weeks will come into that period between then and now?
Last chance may be given, my lordship.
Huh?
Last chance may be given, my lordship. I will take the.
Who is
instruction.
this? Who is this respondent? He should appear before this court. Should we call him?
No, no, my lordship, I will. Last chance, my lordship.
Very small amount of,
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
very small amount of.
Very small, 1,47,000 only.
And this
And now the value has gone down also probably.
2012-13 roads, yeah, really.
Right. Last chance. So they've been giving time all the time. Oh. No, no more chance.
Then pass over for a pending matter. Pass over for a.
Yes, always in.
Lordship, period order dated 9 for.
But they were asked to make a.
You're supposed to make a verification.
We got a. Last night, I just got a inspection report. Lordship will kindly have a look at. Page number 2 will not, the page number 2, I have paginated for your convenience, Lordship. This, the Lordship will find that as per the order dated so-and-so, undersigned visited the establishment so-and-so. Statement of account for full and final settlement on 7/1/2020 in respect of late so-and-so. That's a date of joining 8/5/86, date of leaving 8/12/2019. He died in 10th, my lord. Total days walked, including Sunday for the month December.
Can you make, how do you submit this in the form of affidavit or
I
what?
can do
I
this.
think-
I got it last night. It's better, my lord, I filed it by the
Yeah.
end of it. So that my client can also have it.
Yes,
I'll file it, my lord, better. In fact, I made it ready this morning. I couldn't file it.
okay.
I'll file it.
Mr. P.K. Royce, then senior counsel for the EPFO,
Lordship.
submits that he has received instructions last night,
Lordship.
which he will submit in the form of an affidavit within
Maybe 7 days, my lord.
a week. List the matter after a week. Okay.
Please, your lordship. Lordship may kindly peruse the last order dated 19 April 2024. Your Honor.
Anyway, have you seen the letter?
No, your lordship.
Oh, I'll show you the letter.
Nothing marked.
Let's just show the letter. Otherwise you can take, you see, we are supposed to do something.
My lord, I have just entered appearance. That letter I have seen, madam.
No, but the court order is there, last court.
Yes, yes, madam. I have filed my Vakalatama even, madam, yesterday. By that. So, pilot,
Letter, see. What you can do, madam, if you want, you can take a photo. Take a photo of this. You can, because they're going to take the same stand by, even if they're doing an affidavit, they're going to take the same stand.
Lordship.
So you can prepare yourself with. Mr. Thar, you'll have to file it in the form of an affidavit.
My lord, that is why, my lord, I have just entered APR, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, let 4 weeks go, my lord, in between.
And madam, you also, you can see the letter, you're supposed to do something. Once you do it, then you can start.
Lordship.
है ना?
Lordship, a similar matter has been fixed on 27.
Ah.
So,
27th of this month.
this month.
Okay, we'll start with that.
No, my lord, similar, order is similar, but, my lord, in that, this.
This letter is not there.
Not
Okay,
there.
this issue is not there.
That is little.
It's a
After
common
27,
judgment and order, Your Lordship.
The government. Anyway, okay, we'll sit together. How does it matter? May I heard Mr. Ardhan, learned counsel for the respondent number? For the respondent, for the sole respondent, who submits that he will file the, letter dated P8/2023 issued by the executive engineer PWRD, Jaluk Bari and Hajo Territorial Road Division in the form of an affidavit.
And if any further communications also, I will bring it on record.
And any other further communication that is received by him. First up, Miss
And Mahanta,
N. Mahanta appears for the,
petition.
for the petitioner and has been allowed to obtain a copy of the said letter dated 3/8/2023. List the matter on.
Completely obliged.
My lord, can be this on 29th, my lord, 29th. 27, I have found. I have
29,
found to-
29.
Deeply.
I have 14, my lord, that I intercept, lordship, my lord, respond number 2, lordship.
Huh?
I, my lord, appear on behalf of the respond number 2,
You appear for respondent number 2.
lordship. Yesterday I have filed my Okalatnama. I haven't filed my affidavit also,
You will file the affidavit.
lordship.
When?
Yesterday, lordship.
You filed your affidavit yesterday. Wakalatnama yesterday.
Okalatnama as well as the affidavit also,
Oh, you filed affidavit yesterday.
lordship. In person today, on the last for that.
For
Uh,
the deputy commissioner.
So what is to be done now?
My lord, I have, in this affidavit, my friend stated that, my lord, the district commissioner sent a letter to the commissioner PNRD, my lord. He is not acting. So I have filed an IA to implement it. That IA may be disposed of to implement the
Where is the IA? Okay,
IA is there.
okay, right.
Because
But
earlier
is this, was this person a party in the writ petition?
was part.
Huh?
Was part.
You are?
He was.
Yeah, okay, right.
Respondent number
Heard
one.
Miss, huh?
That's part, lordship.
Okay, right, in the IA, right, heard Mr. M.R. Kandakar, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that
Earlier was transferred, my lord. So,
that the present commissioner from a Panchayat and Rural Development from Assam, namely Shri J. Shivani from IAS, being pleaded as respondent number 4 in place of the respondent number
One.
1. Mr. J. Handik appearing for the respondent number 2 and Mr. G. Bokailial appearing for
I'm appearing for respondent number 3 and I have
Respondent number
also
three.
filed my affidavit in opposition.
submit that they have got no objection to the application being allowed. So submit view of the above. Mr. J. Shivani, IAS, Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development from Assam. What is the address?
it is, my lord, Juripar, Panjabari.
Juripar, Punjab, Bari, Wati 37 is pleaded as respondent number 4. Applicant to submit a corrected copy of the cost title to the registry within a week. Within a week. Issue notice, the I is accordingly allowed and disposed of. Then in the main case, you write, in view of the order dated 3/5/2024 passed in IAC 1248 of 2024. Shri J. Shivani is also with the respondent number 4. Issue notice to the respondent number 4. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by a registered post with AD within 3 days.
3 days.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
I am okay.
I'm going to give Miss MM Kotogi, he is some person difficult today. So Lordship may fix a matter on Wednesday.
Justification with photos.
Yes.
So that's so let's
So she informed me that she received some instruction.
okay.
So today some.
Okay, right, Mr.
H3.
Huh?
H3.
A Chetri, Learned Council appearing on behalf of Mr.
MM Kotogi.
M.M. Kotaki, Standing Council,
Assam Husbandry and Animal Husbandry.
submits that Mr. M.M. Kotaki seeks adjournment on the ground that Miss M.M. Kotaki seeks adjournment on the ground that she is having some personal difficulty today. Full stop. However, Miss M.M. Kotaki has been given instructions with regard to the query raised by this court. Accordingly, leave this matter on.
Anything?
Wednesday?
Eight. Of late.
Eight.
Of late, thank you.
Come on.
I'm appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, Your Lordship. On last occasion, Your Lordship directed us to produce the address of respondent number 4 and 4
Yeah, 4 or
I
5.
have.
4 or 5.
for the private respondent. I have the address. I can hand it over to
You
And
can
regarding-
hand it over, but yes, you hand it over, but you have to file an application, madam.
Yes, Lord.
File an application to correct the cost title
Yes, Your Lord.
with the address, okay? You hand it over. Okay, right. Miss
PC.
P. Sinha
Singh,
appearing for
yeah, D. Bora. Petitioner.
appearing for the petitioner.
D. Bora.
Submits that she has been given the correct address of the respondent, correct postal address of the respondent number 4 and 5 by Mr.
PK Sharma,
P.K. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the
2 and 3.
respondents number 2 and 3. She accorded,
Lordship kindly continue the interim order.
she accordingly prays for time to file an application for correction of the address of the respondent number 4 and 5. Prayers allowed. This is the matter after 2 weeks. The interim order shall continue till the next week.
We saw time to file affidavit.
Huh?
In the meantime, we'll file it.
In the meantime, the respondents may file their affidavit in opposition.
Obliged, okay?
Dismissed. Already, we are, he said, no case. What has happened is he has given the correct address of the
Yes,
four
ma'am.
file, so you make an application for correcting the address.
For the cost title.
Next is your lordship. Lordship was directed to serve Dustin Mallard.
You are appealing for whom?
Yes, I am for the private respondent number 6. Your
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what I have gone through yesterday, just I have filed and received a copy of petition today itself. So what I have found that what statement has been given that being the respondent number 6, we have objected to get a new connection by the petitioner. Now, when I have gone through the suit plaint, the application under order 39 rule 1 and 2 and 151 petition, I have found the suit scheduled premises is different from the rented premises, which has been located on the property, because actual fact is that your lordship, the entire Exania land, as per what I have got as instruction, was primarily 1 Katha 16 Lecha. Out of that, under Patta number 9, Dag number 250. Subsequently, 1 Katha 8 Lecha has been converted into KP Patta in my name.
Yes.
And 7.54 Lecha that has been kept as Exania. Now, rented premises is on 1 Katha 8 Lecha plot. That is Khirataniadi Patta. I have a document I can show.
No, who is in possession of that plot?
We are.
You are in possession.
Because there are other tenants also, not only he, the petitioner. So then application has been filed.
Okay, so they are asking for electricity.
Yes.
Yeah.
are they asking for electricity for the premises that they're occupying or for some other land?
But for that purpose, the petitioner has to take no NOC from the.
No, no.
My lord, page
You
37.
see, the issue is this. If the petitioner is applying for electricity connection for land which he is in possession of, I'm not saying he's the title holder or he is the owner of the property. If he is in possession of the property, he should be given temporary connection. Okay, that is the only thing is that whether the connection that he is asking for, whether that property is in his possession, whether he is in possession of that property, only that.
My lord,
Whether you are fighting over the land, and that's
Yes,
a
madam.
different issue.
Yes, this is a purely civil nature.
That's a
that-
different issue. I'm talking about electricity or whether he is in possession of that land. It's according to you, it's your land.
He is a tenant under me.
He's a.
Yes,
as
Then
per.
let him get-
Tenant also, man.
but they are denying their tenancy. They are saying they're the owner and seeking for.
That's a different issue.
Civil code.
Only thing is that he should get, this is not on the merits of the case as to who is the owner of the land. We're not deciding the rights of the parties.
Yeah.
We are only giving him electricity, that's all. Because the hot summer, he wants to stay under maybe AC
Yes, madam.
or cooler,
Friend-
I don't
friend
know.
also knows, madam.
Okay, right. Where is the order?
My
Favorite
lord,
orders.
page 61, my lord. This is my application and right side corner, my lord, it is written because of
Okay, right. Heard, Mr.
Jiuddin.
Huh?
Jiuddin.
You did letter counsel for the petitioner who submits. Wait, huh? What is this, all this? Okay. Heard Mr. Giudin, letter counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. KP Pathak, letter counsel for the APDCL. And Miss
S. Dasgupta.
S. Das
Gupta,
Gupta appearing for the respondent number
6.
6. Yes, then right. Mr. Giudin, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that, this thing is para 1 and 2 of the last order, huh? Then you take number 3, 4 also, paragraph 4. The respondent counsel, the counsel for the respondent number 6 submit that the title to the property is under consideration in title suit number 98 of 2024 between the parties.
Received notice of the suit and all these applications till to date.
You're not,
I
You
have
have
not,
served, my lord.
that
you have
has been
served.
served might be,
After
but we have
filing-
not received notice till to date.
That may-
In the trial court, your lordship, not here.
that is a different thing. You go there.
Yes.
Yes.
Title suit number 98 of 2024 pending before which court?
My lord, civil judge number 2. Civil
Pending
judge,
before the court of the
civil
civil judge,
number-
dash 2. Where?
Junior division.
Junior division,
Number 2.
junior division number 2. Where? Kamrup,
Yes,
Kamrup M, Guwahati.
yes.
So you know, now you go there. Good stuff. Where is the Supreme Court judgment?
My lord,
Then you're right. In the case of Dilip dead, 2 LRs versus Satish and others. Reported in
my lord, 2022
Two thousand twenty-two,
SC 1485.
2022 Supreme,
Yes, my lord.
Supreme SC 1485. Comma. The Supreme Court has held that a person cannot be deprived of electricity. All that the electricity supply authority is to examine is whether the applicant for electricity connection is in occupation of the premises in question. It cannot be denied. Electricity cannot be declined to a tenant on the ground of failure/refusal of the landlord to issue a no objection certificate. Next paragraph. In view of the decision of the, in review of the law laid down by the Supreme Court, this court is of the view that the petitioner, if it is proved by him that he is in possession of the premises in question, should be granted a temporary electrical connection by the APDCL authorities. Accordingly, the petitioner is given the liberty to make an application to the APDCL authorities for grant of a temporary electric connection, and the same should be given to him, provided the APDCL authorities come to a finding that the petitioner is in possession of the premises in question, for which electricity connection is sought for. So, sir, the writ petition, this writ petition is accordingly disposed of. So, however, it may be clarified that this court has not made any finding or observation with regard to the claim of the grievances of the parties in connection with title suit number
Yes, my lord.
98 of 2024.
Much obliged.
My lord, they may consider within a period of time and otherwise.
If the petitioner makes an application for temporary connection of electricity, the same should be considered and disposed of at the earliest.
Obliged.
You tell them hot,
Yes, my lord.
you go, you start sweating, you run around 1 kilometer before reaching the office. Take a big towel, gamosa.
They will.
They feel sorry for you.
Obliged, your lord.
But here I have to pay for some more.
They have been asking for time.
Correct,
I'm seeing all the orders pass.
Correct.
Time.
Correct.
I'm seeing,
Logical.
it's embarrassing now.
But
It's become a joke.
No, but up to the up to date position is not there. They have already communicated, they have already sent, sought for the
This orders of
fund.
January 22,
logic. No,
and you still want instructions.
fund has been
Since
sought. No, they have communicated, I have, the communication have been made to the authority seeking funds. It has not been received. Out of 3 cases, 2 left, one has been already, they have released. But kindly after 7th,
Huh?
after 7th, kindly give it after 7th.
After
7th of May.
May,
Logic.
Mr. Deenat, Learned Counsel for the respondent. Praise for last chance. What? Praise for time to obtain instruction.
Logic.
So, sir, this court finds that the order had been passed by this court to verify and pay the claim of the petitioner amounting to which is amounting to 1,47,910 in contempt case 50822 and 2,04,156 in 509/2022. The orders had been passed by this court sometime in January 22, in 17/1/2020. So more than 2 years have passed. The respondents, Mr. Dina should apprise the respondent that this matter should be taken seriously. This is the matter on
Not on 10, on
later after.
on 14, on 14, on 17. Logic. On 17. Logic. Right. Logic.
Finish.